Hey guys, what's going on? Darrow Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darrow Addison, Torpedopot.com. And we're taking a tour of our okra today. I've got to start cutting down off some more okra for storage. And these okra plants are about 7 feet tall right now. And they're beautiful. Man, they're absolutely stunning. What's so good about it is that these 5 planters, these are Torpedopots, guys. These are self-growing planters. See these plants growing right now with all these beautiful flowers? Well, and all that beautiful okra? Well, Torpedopot's doing that. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your plants or your seeds in these planters and they literally grow your okra and your food for you. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 planters, we're going to grow where we are growing over 400 okra. And they're doing amazing. They're doing absolutely amazing. So I got to come back today and I got to, cut some down, cut it off, and get them what I want to do. Now they've been growing for a while now. Okay. So if we were to follow and find out how many okra came off this plant, all we really have to do is just look at the little nubs right here, and you can get a good idea of what's been coming off this plant. So 1 right here. 2, 3, if you can see that, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've already picked 10 okra, and then you've got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have a total of about 17 okra that's going to come out of here. So we have 10 plants inside this planter. And if all of them show the same size, in which, trust me, they look like they're showing the same size, then this one planter has the ability to grow. Now let's take a look at the amount of plants we have in here. Look how big those are, guys. That's huge. Look at that. Man, that's huge. Oh my gosh. These things are so huge. Well, we have, let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's say about 10. These are small ones. They're not going to be able to achieve that. So these are small. Even though we have picked okra from them, as you can see, from the smaller ones, we have 1 okra, 2 okra. So they give us 2 okra. So let's do with 9. If we do 9 and we're able to hit about 20, we can probably close to about 170 okra off of this one planter. 170 pieces of fruit. We have 5 planters. So that means that in 10 feet, we should be able to grow an awful lot of okra. I would say maybe about 500 to 700 okra. All right, so I'm going to start picking them off now, and because they're getting big, and I normally eat them and store them and eat them fresh. I love eating them fresh, and that's why I'm out here this morning, to come out here and eat them fresh and to enjoy them. Darrow Addison, Torpedopot.com, which you see that we have no problem growing your food. Okra is all over the place. You will never go without food. And look at it be just, isn't that beautiful? She's doing her job. Go do your job. Do your job. Do your job. And the flowers are so beautiful, aren't they? Okra flowers are so beautiful, guys. They are so beautiful. Look at that beautiful. That is absolutely stunning, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love it. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.